Darn it! It got away. It doesn't matter. Boys, keep looking for it. It couldn't have gone far. Go! I think I got away from them. Uh-oh. Hello there, viewer. You're probably wondering what's going on and why these guys are chasing a motorcycle. So, hi. I'm Turbo Max. I'm a living motorcycle that can reach speeds up to, let's say, 300 miles per hour. And because I am a living motorcycle, the government doesn't want me to be known. So, yeah, I'm kind of on the run. Hey, do you guys hear that? Shoot! Get out of here. Well, see ya. What's this? You've probably seen what I saw. Then,